Welcome to MaximoWorld 2025, where we explore the future of managing assets. This year, we're starting a new journey. Moving from Maximo to Maximo Application Suite isn't just an upgrade, it is a big change. Think about having the power to see problems before they happen with Predict. Imagine using asset health to keep everything running smoothly. Picture your plans perfectly matching your goals, making the most of every single investment. Join us at MaximoWorld 2025, the place for IBM Maximo users. Here you'll meet industry leaders, leading thinkers, and peers who are shaping the future of asset management. Together, we'll discover new ways to work and learn about the latest tech unlocking all the benefits of the Maximo Application Suite. This is your chance to lead, to create, and to change things. Don't miss out on MaximoWorld 2025. Sign up now and be a part of that change. MaximoWorld 2025, managing assets for maximum value.
MaximoWorld 2025.
We will see you there.